Ich danke dir von Herzen für dein stille Opfer, deine ermöglichte Arbeit und deine Lebenslektionen und deine Führung. Danke, dass du immer uns erfährst und besorge bist. Ich danke dir ganz so und du bist mein Welt. Sage sogar so Gott und mir selbst, warum hatte ich den besten Papa? Ich wünsche dir, dass sein Lachen, seine Freude und sein ewig weiterleben. Ich und eins Tage werde ich noch heller lassen. Es tut mir leid für den Stress, der Ausstunk und die anwärteten Fehler, die sie nervös gemacht. Ich liebe dich um alles, du bist der beste Papa in der Welt. My parents, thank you. Ich liebe dich auch, Papa. To my parents, I have another words to say. I do not have another words to say my love to you. As I say to the Lord to guide me through success in life, to make my parents proud and happier with brighter smiles and joy. For I can stand for myself, and in the future I'll be the one to take care of you, my dear Papa and Mama. To my teachers, thank you for being there. Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Cherry, Ma'am Idalen, Ma'am Arlen, Ma'am Cherry May, Ma'am Fe, and Ma'am Chari. And everyone here, school's principal and the visitors, to everyone who supported. This may not be my achievement alone, but for everyone is a reflection of your love and support. Teachers, thank you for being there from the years of elementary. You've seen me grow. Thank you for being the second mothers of all the students here in Kandaping Elementary School and guide through the years. Thank you for your shared knowledge, lessons, life lessons, patience, love, and shared guidance. Nagpasalamat po ko sa inyong suporta, paalala, pagtudlo, o pagmahal. Sorry sa stress, disappointment, o more. So kamo nga kinder pohon, pag binuotan mo sa inyong mga maestra, kay buotan na sila. Daghan pud mong matun-an nila. Thank you. May God bless you all. To my friends and classmates, I am thankful that I've met you all. Thank you for your support during my times of competitions and fun times. Sad to say, the times flow so fast, and our blinks become another day and end for our elementary times. From good morning classmates to a goodbye classmates. See you around. Thank you for the memories, laughters. May we be an unforgettable section from K to 6. As we have to separate at this moment,